Welcome to the channel. I'll show you how I transformed this bathroom from 1990 to 2025, showing detailed workmanship, material selection, how I made the renovation dust-less, and the 5 tips and tricks you need to watch out for your renovation. Full price breakdown coming in the end. Watch to know more. The homeowners were desperate for a change. The existing plastic shower surround was leaking from the seams. They would hear a dripping sound for 30 minutes after every shower. The ceiling space was super low, lights didn't work. The fan was venting directly to the attic, causing mold, and the floor was peeling off. They wanted a place that's perfectly leak-proof for their forever home. A modern look that requires no maintenance, and a beautiful niche with extra storage for all their goodies. Let's begin. As you watch the floor protection gets put down, I want to talk about the first step of every renovation, planning. This is the consulting phase to talk about the project in detail before we swing any hammers. I would visit the home, listen to the need of the homeowners, suggest a solution best for them through my experience renovating since 2011, and to see the site conditions and limitations. This project has a favorable site, with a vacant garage for material and tool storage, large driveway, ample street parking, making it very easy to work with. I was especially glad to have won the favor of the homeowner's 2-year-old. She loved to see me from the get-go. We're off to a great start. During these consultations, I helped the homeowner nail down the design choices, from plumbing fixture finish, tile size and finish, plug and light locations. These typically take time to order in, so we make sure these are on hand waiting for us when we start the project. This thorough planning approach significantly reduces the amount of time your house is under construction. No waiting for back-ordered material or making last-minute design decisions that can delay the completion. Once the client approved the final design and the material selections, we were ready to begin. Day 1 is all about preparation and protection. We start by laying down floor protection from the entryway to our work area. This protects the hardwood floors from damage and moisture. I stopped using paper for this as it can be damaged easily with water during the painting and tiling cleanups. For the workspace itself, we put up a dust extractor outside and close off the window with plastic, leaving only a hole for the hose. The venting of the air from inside the bathroom produces a negative air pressure, sucking the dirty air out and making the house's airflow go from the clean area to the work area. This ensures the dust does not blow back into the living area and keep it dust-free. The debris are collected in the garage and shipped off. I put a bag inside the air register to prevent dust from getting in. Before demolition begins, we shut off the main water supply to the house and drain the lines. For the vanity removal, we start by taking out all the drawers. We'll disconnect the plumbing to take the countertop out. The cabinet is broken down into manageable pieces. The mirror cabinet goes off next, revealing the old wallpaper behind it. Removing the toilet after shutting off the water and draining it completely. We remove the 2 bolts on either side, then lift it out and place it in a garbage bag to prevent any dripping. Now for the top surround, you can see we're scoring along the top with a multi-tool to help remove the large sections at once. This fiberglass insert needs to be cut out from the framing. A combination of circular saw, reciprocating saw, and oscillating saw was used to make the cuts. With all fixtures removed, we're now taking down the drop ceiling above the tub surround, followed by removing every single piece of the baseboard. We move all the debris into garbage bags and vacuum away any dust still remaining on the floors. The existing floor is a vinyl peel and stick glued onto a 1/4-inch plywood. I make relief cuts with a circular saw and oscillating saw to allow us to bring them out in smaller pieces. This is where a 36-inch pry bar comes in very handy. It's a must-have tool for this part of the demolition. The remaining wood strip and staples are removed meticulously. With the homeowners concerned about the dripping sound, we opened up a piece of the subfloor where the drain lines for the shower goes. To our delight, the pipes are completely dry with no signs of water damage, which means the dripping sound may be from the attic or inside the pipe. Both situations would require us to look at them later on. The floor is super squeaky. I take this opportunity to screw down the subfloor to every joist with 3 screws, ensuring all noise is eliminated before we proceed. The subfloor we took out was replaced with additional 2x4 support screwed to the joist. This is a part of a full bathroom renovation series. Follow, like, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when the next part releases.